Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed the reproduction in angiosperm of flowering plants. In this video we will discuss the different previous year questions from reproduction in animals, mostly human beings. We will also discuss the different important sections like development of male reproductive organ, development of female reproductive organ, gametogenesis, the production of sperm by spermatogenesis, the production of ovum by oogenesis, and how different type of image like graphical for pictures or short questions, case based, reasoning assessment. Mostly reasoning and assessment questions are not coming from this topic. Most topics which are coming, like most questions which are coming from this topic are short questions and long questions. MCQ are also very much tricky as this topic is very important for NEET. You can say very important for the NEET. And now we will discuss some of the important section. Then we will go for the different type of questions in the previous year which are coming since 2022, 23, 24, 25. And let us hope that this year you will get a better result from these topics. Let us first discuss some of the important part of this topic. Initially, the first important part of this topic is the reproductive organs of human being, male reproductive organ and the female reproductive organ. From this part, you will get MCQ, short questions, case-based question like diagram-based question, and female reproductive organ is one of the important long questions for each year because this part is very important. The second important topic of this chapter is that gametogenesis, how the sperm is developed inside the testis and how the ovum is developed inside the ovary. Gametogenesis is of two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis, and there is a difference also. That is also an important question. How spermatogenesis is different from oogenesis, and it is also coming in MCQ sort of questions. Another important part of this chapter is menstrual cycle. Sometimes you can get MCQ or case based question from this particular chapter topic. MCQ like which hormone is responsible for ovulation, what is the role of progesterone in menstrual cycle, the phases, in which time period the menstrual phase, follicles phase or luteal phase take place, and that type of questions. After menstrual cycle, you have to focus on fertilization as well as implantation. So in this diagram you can see fertilization, implantation as well as blastocyst, or you can say development of blastula from day 0 to day 7 and 8 until implantation. So this type of question also comes in MCQ set, like short question, case based, and all those. Let us first discuss some of the previous year question. In the year 2021-22, you can see the MCQ comes from the reproductive organ of female as well as embryo development. The first question asks about the heart development in embryo. So the answer is 30. The second question is regarding the female reproductive organ, whose answer is cervix. The third one, the answer is 1 and 4, which is regarding the mammary gland. The next two is suspended cell division and when the sperm enter into the ovum. In the year 2023 and 24, the most of the questions are based on hormone questions. The first question is a match the following, which is presented here, and the answer is C. The second question comes from the menstrual cycle, and the answer is B. The most fertile time period is actually 10 to 7 days between or after ovulation or before ovulation. Then the next answer is FSH and LH, followed by the last one is SCG, option number B. In the year 2025, only one MCQ was there. So there is a probable that the in this year 2026, the MCQ number will be more from the reproductive part from both the flowering plants as well as human reproductive system. The answer of this MCQ is option number B. Next, short answer type questions. In the year 2020, you can see the most of the short answer type questions are based on fertilization. Fertilization is an important part because in case of human being, sexual reproduction takes place and fertilization is the most important part of sexual reproduction. Fertilization takes place in the oviduct, or you can say the fallopian tube near to the ovary, and then the zygote formed, which is then developed into blastula. After implantation, it becomes embryo, and once once the embryo implanted, then it slowly develops into different organ and become fetus. In the year 2023 and 24, the short answer type questions are based on male reproductive organ and spermatogenesis. Male reproductive organ include the internal structure like testes, which have different parts like seminiferous tubule, later testis, epididymis, and the outer part is scrotum, which covers the testes. And from spermatogenesis, you can see the questions comes like how to describe the spermatogenesis process. It is a process by which the sperm is produced in the testes. If we go for the long answer type questions, so in the year 2020, 23 and 24, most of the questions are from different parts like menstrual cycle, placenta formation, then blastocyst. And in 2025, I don't think so that much long type of questions came from this part. So for 2026, I will suggest that this topic is very important. The human reproductive system will have a major contribution in the marks for the year 2026 exam of CBSE final